Students, today we will see the dissection of superficial flexor compartment of forearm. So there are total 5 muscles in the superficial compartment of forearm. All of them, they have common flexor origin at this medial epicondyle of the humerus. So these superficial flexor muscles of forearm from lateral to medial side are pronator teres. Then this one is flexor carpi radialis. Palmaris longus muscle is the next, which is absent in this body. Then this large muscle is flexor digitorum superficialis, and the medial most is flexor carpi ulnaris. Now one by one, the pronator teres muscle, superficial head from medial epicondyle and deep head from ulna. It is inserted in the middle part of the radius. Second is flexor carpi radialis. Origin is on medial epicondyle of humerus, and insertion, this is the tendon, insertion is at the basis of second and third metacarp. Flexor digitorum superficialis again has two heads, superficial head from medial epicondyle and deep head from anterior oblique line of radius. Then it divides into 4 tendons for insertion, and these 4 tendons then pass through the palm and inserted at the junction of proximal and middle phalanx of medial 4 fingers. Flexor carpi ulnaris again has 2 heads of origin, one from medial epicondyle of humerus and other is the ulnar head from ulna. It is inserted here at the pisiform bone, one of the carpal bone of forearm. Then the main nerve of this flexor compartment is the median nerve. This is the median nerve, you can see. So it enters the forearm between 2 heads of this pronator teres muscle, and then it is deep between superficial and deep flexors of forearm. On ulnar side, you will see this ulnar nerve and ulnar artery. I want to show you the origin of ulnar artery in the cuboidal fossa. So this is brachial artery. This is brachial artery in the cuboidal fossa, and here it divides into, this large one is the ulnar artery and this smaller is the radial artery. This is the radial artery. Okay. Similarly, this is the radial nerve in the cuboidal fossa, which has already divided into superficial and deep branch. This is superficial branch of radial nerve. So this superficial branch of radial nerve and this radial artery, they are now entering in this anatomical snub box of the forearm. So this is all about superficial flexor compartment of forearm.